is where we start our glaze.
Trust me, the aroma will come in from.
Veggie, coconut turmeric stew, wow. Chickpeas, potatoes, squash, carrot, lots of green seasoning.
Yes.
Listen, this can eat by itself or it can eat with anything. Rice, provision. Listen, this is like the vegetarian stew of all stews.
Man.
You're gonna love this thing. It's that good.
Yes, guys, so right now we're like 1 hour north from Toronto. Yeah, man, Barrie, we're in your town. Yes, and we're here to check out this restaurant that talk about Carib Dish. Yes, Carib Dish, and to represent for all of the Caribbean. And we're going in the kitchen and we're going to show you what they're cooking. Alright? Yeah. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go and subscribe because you don't want to miss this video. You don't want to miss it. Alright, so stay tuned. Show you what I want. Yes, guys, so right now we're in the kitchen and we're here with the chef himself, Chef Devon.
Thanks for joining us inside our kitchen. You know, you guys gonna get some exclusive of, you know, the goodness that everybody talks about. As you guys can see, watch, it's a busy morning. All the pots is on the fire. As we promise you guys every day, it's freshly made for that, so that you can experience that goodness of that Caribbean. All right. So this morning we're doing everything. You guys gonna check out some, see how we do our goats, rice and beans today, rice and peas, or we call it. We're gonna be making some soup. We're gonna have some ground provisions on, some curry goat. You guys gonna see how we do our jerk chicken. You know, we can't show all the secrets, but you guys gonna just see. Freshly done, freshly made every morning just for you guys. All right, come on down. Welcome to our kitchen, Carib Dish. We'll be right back.
What you preparing here, chef?
Oh, we were just making the traditional, it's Saturday morning, right?
Yes.
Saturday morning, you know? We Caribbean like our people like our hard food early in the morning. So we have our dumpling going, we got yams, we have some green bananas. You know, in Grenada we call it fig. All right.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, let's get some food going. All right.
All right.
Prepare up a little bit
Yes,
for you guys.
yes.
Early morning.
Yes. See the energy in the kitchen already, guys? All right. This is your yellow yam.
Yes. I like the yellow yam.
Look at that, guys. Yes. So right here, the chef just wash it off, and he's gonna slice it up. Look at that, guys.
Fresh.
Yeah, man. See the chef already having green banana here. Already stopped boiling up, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Chef having rice and peas here cooking right now. Nice.
See? Gotta make sure we get that beautiful brown.
Jesus, mash, yeah. So we're making now, chef?
Alright, we're making some festivals. First order for the day.
Yeah.
You know? They want festivals and fish and vegetables.
Yes.
Freshly done. Every morning or 10 o'clock at night. It doesn't matter. You know?
Just make your order. You
Just make your order.
Yeah.
It's ready for you. So I'll show you guys some freshly golden festivals in a little bit. Alright.
So that's your festival and your vegetables.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright, first customer for the day. And number one customer.
To remember
Right?
that.
Yes.
Alright.
How you like it? How you like
Man, everything
How you like the
nice,
food
yes,
at Carib Dish?
Man, the food nice, yeah, so.
Yeah.
The food straight, good.
Nice.
Top of the line.
Alright.
Can't eat nowhere else but yes, sir.
Alright, come back all the time.
All the time. Visit Carib Dish. #1 spot. Barrie. Alright, respect.
Yes, guys, so right now, taking you behind the scenes, showing you how they prepare the meal, showing you how they cook their food. Yes, right at Carib Dish. Yeah, man. The flavor of the Caribbean, you know? In Barrie. We're making some dumpling for your ground provision right now.
Wrong provision, and we're gonna get that in a little bit.
All right.
See you guys soon.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
Almost there.
Yes. Nice.
Gotta mix that up.
Yes.
So that's the first process, and then we put that to steam.
Yes.
Alright. The way grandmama makes it. You see, we got all our bay leaves and spices. So this is our special cornmeal porridge.
Nice.
You'll see it at the end.
Yes. Yes, guys. So right here we have Chef Joseph.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna prepare him
Jerk chicken.
jerk chicken. So I already have him seasoned on it. Look at it, guys. Yes. Wow. So you know all the seasoning and all of that.
Yeah.
Well, make sure well seasoned, well rubbed in, eh?
Well rubbed in.
Yeah. Yes, guys, right here they have the meat already cut, ready to season. Look at that. Yeah, man. So Chef Joseph, what you said, what are you gonna prepare now?
This is curry goats.
Curry goat.
Yeah, season up everything in the box, mix it up. So go in the box.
See, guys.
Yeah, with some oil.
Yeah. Yes, guys. See, they already add their seasoning, the powder seasoning on it. Look at it. They're just gonna rub it together. Oh. Yeah. You can smell the curry that's coming off that, and the seasoning they put on it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh gosh, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the flavor and the scent coming from this, guys. Look at this. This is jerk chicken here. Wow. Nice, guys. Trust me, the aroma coming from this.
Hot and juicy.
Hot and juicy. Nice. Look at this, guys. Wow.
What you're gonna see now is 8 hours of pureness, goodness,
Yes.
right? 8 hours. Fall off the bone, fall off the flesh. Bad like that, all right? Tastes good like that. You wanna see what it is?
Look at that, guys.
Look at that. It's already breaking off.
Yes. That's your jerk pork.
Jerk pork.
Wow. Look at that,
Jerk
guys.
pork.
Look at that. Look at this.
What I want to show you there. Look at that juice. Right?
Yes.
But we're gonna cut those in cubes.
Oh,
You know?
nice. Gosh, look at that.
Now if you want this grill, you can get it grill. If you want it just like that, you can get it just like that. Right? But
Right.
you know, most people just have it just like that rather than grill. But I'm giving you the secret. Ask for it grill.
Oh.
And listen, it's really good when it's grilled. See this? Woo!
Oh gosh, juicy and nice.
Juicy.
Chef the seasoning this chicken right here. So one for
Barbecue.
fry and one for barbecue.
Yeah.
Yes, chef. What do you have here now?
All right, you see, when we talk about good food, we talk
Yeah.
about homemade food.
Yes.
We fry our chicken like home. We cook like home, so it tastes like home.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So our fried chicken doesn't have anything, you know, we bread it, nothing special, just the way you do it at home.
Yes.
That's why it's so good,
So it's so delicious.
right?
Tastes like home.
Nothing special. Guys, Carib Dish, it's more than good food. It's an experience.
Yeah. Big frying pan, big pot of oil here. Wow, look at that, guys.
You know, we could have fried the other way, you know, in our deep fryer and all of that, but we want our food to taste like home,
Yes.
like when you cook at home.
Yes.
So, yeah, it's going. You know, it's almost there.
Yeah.
Still a good ways to come, but
Look at that, guys.
all right,
Yeah, man. Nice.
coming on.
Yeah.
See you guys in a bit.
So this is what for your barbecue, chef.
Yeah, getting our barbecue ready. That's stage 1.
Yeah. So right here, you're just doing your barbecue chicken. Yes.
Some real barbecue chicken.
Yeah, man.
Long process.
Yeah.
That is why it tastes good.
Yes.
Get that charred, that nice smoky taste
Yes. Wow.
to it. Now this is one of our hot sellers,
Yeah. The barbecue chicken.
barbecue chicken.
Nice.
So on a serious note, right?
Yes.
We used to do our barbecue chicken completely different,
Yeah.
right? We wanted to stay a little bit safe, you know, just do a barbecue fork fry. So in other words, some people say a Barbie fry,
Yeah.
but we decided to twist it up a little bit.
Yes. Yes.
Let's go real, you know, grill. Let's put it on the grill. So
Yeah.
so now it's like one of the best selling items
Wow.
because you get that nice grill,
Smoky.
smoky
Yes.
taste to it.
Yes.
And then we're just gonna glaze that up a little with some nice barbecue sauce and let it sit and rest until it's juicy and nice. Yeah. All right, you guys gonna see that product after.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. As you can see, you have it in the oven, and now you just put it on the grill. Give it that smoky, chalky.
Well, this is our secret sauce.
Sauce. Wow.
This is where we start our glaze.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. The scent that come from that, the aroma that come from that.
I'm telling you.
Wow. You just add a secret sauce to it.
That's our secret brush, and that's gonna brush. We're gonna brush that on for a quite bit. You know, flip
Yeah.
it, brush, flip, brush, flip,
Nice.
until it's ready to yum yum.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Wow. Reason why you cover it, chef.
To give it that smoky taste.
So this is the last base now.
Last piece, one for the road, one for the road.
One for the road. Look at that, guys.
Juicy, juicy.
Yeah, man. What you have here, chef?
This is a different type of escovitch.
Yes.
It's our hot. When I tell you it's hot, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah.
But it's escovitch snapper. See how that fish big? I had to cut it in two.
Yes.
With ground provisions.
Ah.
All right, that's it right there. Customer's ready. All right. That's a veggie coconut turmeric stew.
Wow.
chickpeas, potatoes, squash, carrot, lots of green seasoning.
Yes.
Listen, this can eat by itself or it can eat with anything, rice, provision. Listen, this is like the vegetarian stew of all stews.
Man.
You're gonna love this thing. It's that good.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Right here, what we have here, chef.
That's the famous curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Boneless.
Nice. See, look at that, guys. Oh, gosh.
Full of seasoning, you know?
Nice.
Juicy gravy.
Yeah. Because when you have your curry chicken, you have to have your gravy. Because a lot of people want the gravy, right?
You gotta have it wet. Gotta have it wet.
Alright, look at that, guys.
Boneless Creole stew chicken.
Boneless Creole.
Creole stew chicken.
Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm here with who?
Devon. Alright.
So he's the owner, also the chef of Carib Dish.
Carib Dish.
Yeah.
Right up here in Barrie,
Yes.
Ontario. Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about Carib Dish, how it come about.
Carib Dish. Well, Carib Dish really came about a great inspiration, you know, of culture throughout the Caribbean.
Yes.
You know, just creating that taste of every island, and we have a great vision here. Basically, once a month, featuring, you know, the national dish of a different island every single month, coming up this summer. So while we were planning, okay, you know, what are we going to do as a restaurant, and how are we going to, what model are we going to create, and that's how we ended up with Caribbean dishes. You know, in other words, Carib Dish, right?
Carib Dish,
so
yes.
yeah, Carib Dish. Welcome to Carib Dish.
Nice. And so, how long you guys been open for? Like,
we've only been open for about 3 months now.
3 months.
3 months. 3 months.
And how have you been doing so far?
Beautiful. The community out here in Holly, you know, right here, Essa, Mapleview area, it's been beautiful. The school, Bear Creek, and all the other surrounding school, the kids are up in here.
Yes.
The families around here, the neighborhood. Listen, everybody just, they're really out here supporting our food.
Nice.
Knowing that you are a Caribbean restaurant, what are some of the challenges that you face?
Well, as any restaurant in general, the biggest challenge is food costs. Crazy.
Yes.
Food costs is, I mean, we cannot sell too much, you know, overpriced, if you want to call it that.
Yes.
But that's really the biggest challenge, and we're very blessed that we're able to get some really good employees who understand the food and understand the culture, and they're able to adapt.
Yes.
And no, everybody in here is a chef.
Right.
So,
I see.
yeah.
Another question that I have, what makes Carib Dish stands out?
Yeah. So.
What makes Carib Dish stands out? We provide good food. Yeah, you know, we love our food. We love our flavors, and every day, you know, that we come in here, we try to inspire ourselves of just taking it to another level.
Right.
So every day is a different day to achieve a new goal, and I think outside of, you know, other Caribbean restaurants, you know, we all cook great food, all the other Caribbean restaurants around here, but we basically love our food.
That's true. That's
we
true.
cook with love,
and you can see, you know, talking from St. Vincent, Grenada, Trinidad, Antigua, I see St. Vincent, Jamaica, all of those Caribbean islands, Bahamas, yes,
St. Kitts,
yes.
So I heard that when you opened, you had this giveaway of 1,000. Was it 1,000?
100.
Sorry,
Yeah.
100 oxtail.
Well, it was not only oxtail; it was just meals.
It was just meals overall, okay.
You know, we like just for people to taste. You know, taste our food, and you know, people came out. They, you know, enjoyed it, and from then really, it's been
Yes.
ongoing support.
And what time you guys open till?
Open every day from 10
Yeah.
a.m. until 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday until 10 p.m.
Nice. And so for all those people who's watching on YouTube across the world or even Canada, Ontario, what do you want to tell them?
Come try Carib Dish. We're right here in Barrie.
All right.
You know,
and where you located?
make the trip.
Where the address? What's the address here?
490 Mapleview Drive West.
All right.
490 Mapleview Drive West, and you can't miss it. It's big.
Yes.
It's look for that. All right.
All right. So
right here.
thank you for having me here, and it's a pleasure. I'm just,
Yeah. Thank you guys for coming out, and hope you guys enjoy what you see. Remember to subscribe to the channel. All right. You see that button below there? Subscribe.
All right.
All right. Bless.
See? Take a bite out of me barbecue chicken. Look at that. Wow. Tastes real good, guys. Real good. And the smoky flavor when you put it on the grill, tastes real good. This is the rice and peas right here. Yeah, man. I'm gonna try it.
Hi, how are you? Is this the jerk chicken? Is that jerk chicken? Oh, that is? Okay, I'll have the jerk chicken.
Oh gosh. Barbecue chicken tastes real nice. The smoke flavor when it the grill tastes really good, guys. Flavor, nice. The seasoning, nice. Well cooked. When you come here, ask them for them barbecue chicken. So far, barbecue chicken tastes real good. Remember, look here, look at this plate. Well loaded. We have oxtail, barbecue chicken, jerk chicken, plantain, rice and peas. Oh gosh. You know, you can't see the chef cook all of these lovely food. I mean, don't try it. I have to try it. Alright guys, so now we reached to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And you know we in Barrie, Carib Dish. Yes, and trust me, the food was nice, and I recommend everyone to come down here and try it, because I bring the flavor from every island, give you a different dish of each island every month. And trust me, the food, and remember, when you come down here, ask for the barbecue chicken, bad, it's nice. Yes guys, and remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, where are we on? What are you waiting on? Yeah man, make sure you go and subscribe, because every week you're gonna get a banger, and we're bringing you different flavor. Yeah. As we're saying, we're bringing you behind the scene, bringing it in the kitchen, and we're bringing the kitchen to your screen. And remember, nothing but the best, real authentic way, showing you how they prepare the food. So right now we're at Carib Dish, and this is a place where you got to come and visit. Whether you're in Toronto, Scarborough, it doesn't matter where you're from, come down here and check it out. Carib Dish. And remember, we're bringing yard abroad, meaning that it could have been coming from any country you're from. We're bringing the flavor from that country to here, so in Canada. Yeah man, so one love. Make sure you subscribe and like, and make sure you tell your friend and tell a friend. Bless. One love.